Thank you so much. Gosh, there were so many takeaways there. I ran out of paper. Okay, I'm going to be with you just for another couple of minutes because Emma Burgett is going to join us, so digital expert, to show us how to maximise opportunities through this wonderful campaign. So just a couple of tips just to bring it to your attention. Okay, guys, so in terms of key messaging, if you could please think about the needs and nuances. So speaking to the segments, we went through those for the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland today. So please speak to your target audience. Don't just splash paint against a wall. Please showcase value for money, really important. Emphasize newness. And I like what Naomi said about information and inspiration, so that you show people how to navigate, give them tips for navigating, but also inspiring them to engage. Authenticity, showcase the story of people and place. Northern Ireland is unique, but actually areas within Northern Ireland are also unique. The community and the places show the colour of that so we can get people to engage and also explore and discover. Food and drink is highly valued. Bring out the story of that in your local community. So local provenance, produce from the local area is really important. And please, please, please tag My Giant Adventure on all of your social media posts. Hashtag My Giant Adventure. It's heavily monitored and it will allow you to get more traction. I saw a couple of you going to take a picture there, so just in case you want a movie moment, we'll just stop there for a moment. Okay. Naomi went through all of this, but please do look at the Giant Spirit brand book. I am a huge fan of this brand. Look at what it stands for. Its hallmarks: big-hearted, original, not the same as anywhere else, unique. Legends and stories, the contemporary stories of people, old myths and legends that belong to places. Land, water, and sea, so different environments and places. So live up to this brand because it makes you look up and be bigger, and make sure it translates into all of your visual and written content. Show your giant spirit in all of your activity. As Naomi said, take a look at the content pool, go into featured collections. It's all laid out for you here. You can see it on the screenshots. All of the assets you need to support your activity are there. Please, if you don't have one already, create your Discover Northern Ireland listing. And I like what Naomi said about making sure that that listing is refreshed maybe twice a year so that it's constantly current and up to date. And of course, actively engage in offers. So throughout the year, you've seen that you can submit offers, do the easy thing, and muscle in behind campaigns to create opportunities for you and for your business. So all of these links will be in your slides there later when you get them. So discover northernireland.com. Please engage with this to maximise opportunities. So your next steps after today are, number one, we would ask you please to create or update your Discover Northern Ireland business listing and actively engage throughout the year in those offers. There was something that Naomi said there that really stood out for me. There's 52 weeks in every year, and every one of us can use those opportunities to maximise revenue and promotion, profit and talkability. I think that's really something that we can take control of. So create or update your Discover Northern Ireland business listing. Please proactively engage in offers. Read the Spring 2025 Marketing Campaign Toolkit. Be informed so you can maximise the opportunity. Be clear on your target customers. We've shown you them this morning. Craft communications that speak to them. Please have coherent engagements with your target customers. Number 4, plan your own activity. Do a set of actions, so that you can promote your own business, your own community, and generate opportunities and revenue generation and bookings for yourself. Please go to Northern Ireland Content Pool. All of the assets are there. Please use hashtag MyGiantAdventure in all of your social media posts. And please register on tourismni.com for opportunities. These are the no-brainer basic steps that need to be done to leverage opportunities. So do me a favor, my friends, and if you're not doing them already, just do that, okay? First steps on your plan. Okay, and in terms of supports, after today, one slide will bring you all to them. So you can check out everything about the Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland marketplace through all the insights and research. Very easy to read over a cup of coffee done by Tourism Northern Ireland on this link. You can read about Northern Ireland, Republic of Ireland target customer segments through this link. Dead easy, all done for you. You can read about the Tourism NI Spring Campaign Toolkit on this link. You can go to NI Content Pool and access all of the assets for the Spring Campaign on this link. You can read the Awaken Our Giant Spirit brand book. I cannot tell you how important that brand is. Please do that. You can create or update your Discover Northern Ireland listing here. and you can look at putting Discover Northern Ireland offers here. It's all there, guys. You just have to drive the car, get on board. Is that okay? If I could just pick out a couple of things as well that Naomi said. Accommodation providers, please reference things to do. You're a huge vehicle for the customers who stay with you to encourage them to do more things and places. Please make sure your content encourages people to relax, unwind, and have fun. And let's end on the note that Naomi said there in her presentation. If we all work together, you maximize opportunities and get stronger cut through. So we want to see the reports of greater bookings, greater promotion for you individually and collectively across Northern Ireland. So up Northern Ireland, up every area within it, and let's look forward to a team effort. And in terms of the strategic direction there, I'll hand over to Carolyn Boyd then. Thank you, guys.